Hi guys, UDRC here, back with another vid. Got me some Kyosho Mini-Z Jeep Wrangler. So these are two colors that they come in. The white on my left here, and then the gunmetal on my right. Just give you a quick little close-up of it. See it? Now these trucks have so much detail on them. You know, Kyosho, especially with the Mini-Z lineup, they have so much detail in their vehicles. For such a small scale car, the detail is pretty amazing. I'm gonna go ahead and unbox the white so you have a look at it and see what she looks like. Alright, pop it open. You get to see Mini-Z right there, guys. But look at the detail in this guy. Alright, we'll get it on out so we can take a look, guys. Definitely well secured in here. Right. Lots of tape that you don't see. Alright, here we go, guys. Here we go. Alright, man, I tell you what, the detail in this guy, man. The little wheel in the back. Let's have a look at that, guys. Man. Alright, so this little screwdriver to get it out of there. So go ahead and take those little 4 screws out in the bottom. You guys see that down there? And that would release the truck. Alright, so let's go ahead. That's what you see inside. See the owner's manual right here. Slide that out. Alright. And then this box here should be a radio. Slide this guy out. It's empty. Alright. In here also you get the additional gearing. I guess like the motor spacers and stuff like that. Alright. Then you have your radio, guys. Alright. Synchro KT253 1P. So the wheel is just like the Kyosho Mini-Z's. Rubber foam on the steering dial here. On and off switch in the back. Have your trim knobs up the top here. See everything right here. Alright. And then the bottom, pretty easy to open, pop open the door. Battery tray. So you have AAA batteries running off of 4 AAAs at the bottom. Alright. Drop that back in real quick. Get some batteries. Get that taken care of. Again, got your manual. Got your little registration card and everything in the back. Alright. Tuck all this stuff away. Alright. So let me go ahead and release the truck from the holder and then get right back with you guys. Alright guys, so now it's completely released. Alright. Again, give you guys a nice close-up look of this guy. See the top, like a matte finish on the top. Spare tire in the back. Try to give you guys as much information as I can give you guys. Hope everything is focused. See the linkages. All right. Alright, so to remove the body, it's a little different from the regular Mini-Z. You just kind of pop it open like this, pull it to the sides, and it pops off. So they have these little pins on both sides with a little white tabs here, which is connected to the body, and it kind of goes in and this pin slides and locks in place. So you pretty much just push the tabs inwards, which releases it from the little white tabs here, and then you can pop it off. So I got the left side started. See how it just kind of falls away? So I'll show you guys that. So I'm trying to do the left side as well on camera, hopefully. You guys can see that. It's pretty hard to do it over here, but so you kind of use your fingers, pull it back on each side, and then you should be able to push it out like that. Sorry for the terrible camera angle, but you know, I tried to show you guys how to pop open, get the cover off the top. Okay, again, so you see these little tabs here. That's what sits in, and then the little rod clips in it. So anyways, so this is what the body looks like. You see the buckets up front and in the rear as well. Like I said, it has optional light kit for these guys, so you can go ahead and put some lights in there and make it look pretty good. It has tinted windows on it, little light tints on it. All right, body is pretty firm, pretty nice built body. Quality's pretty good. All right, and this is what she looks like underneath all of that beautiful body. All right, so you have your coilover type shocks, shock absorbers. All right, and then solid axles, front and rear, solid axles. And then of course you got your battery tray here. It's definitely a different setup from the regular Mini-Zs, which kind of goes in on the sides. All right, then you have 10 full ball bearings in this kit. You have your all-in-one ESC right here. And you have your your gearbox and all that. And your gears going in there. I guess all your slipper and all that slipper clutch will be in here as well. All right. Then you have your steel links at the bottom. You got steel links, ball ends. It was a pretty good, pretty nice quality little crawler here, guys. Definitely can't wait to do a little crawling with it. All right. You see it turn the rear wheel and all 4 turns. Yeah, it's pretty good quality, guys, for sure. You see that shock? Alright, so you got your servo up front, guys. Forgot to mention the servo right up here on the front. Let's see right here. Alright, guys, so that was a quick little unboxing of the Kyosho Mini-Z Wrangler. The white one. Again, thanks for watching, and stay tuned for some running videos of it. All right, and get some quick size comparison with my other little mini cars. Yeah, just a quick look, and also these little tow hooks here, they actually do move, so you can adjust it. You tuck it back in, front and rear. They both have those little tow hooks right here. You can see it. Try to get a better angle for you guys. And right here. All right. Sorry for the blurry camera, guys. So again, thanks for watching. Catch you guys in the next one.